everybody, it's Laura from The Right Roost. Got a little surprise from Polo today. Usually it's pretty quiet in the house, and I was hearing some sort of struggle happening in the kitchen. So either A, a chicken got in the house, or B, a cat has brought me a present. Oh, gosh. I don't know what kind it is. Oh, he's alive. Oh, he's alive. Okay. Don't get away. Don't get away. What do we do with this guy? Let's call my snake guy, my older brother, Jimbo.
Hi, Laura. It's your brother Jim here. What you got there is a western rat snake or a brown snake. They look a lot alike. They're sometimes mistaken for copperheads, but you got a non-poisonous snake there. You can tell because his head is oval, not diamond. When they're diamond, that means they got venom sacs and fangs. When they're oval, they're friendly. So good luck with that thing. I'd put him in an aquarium and make him a pet.
Yeah, I don't know about that, Jimbo, but interesting tip. Thanks. Okay, time for him to go back to his real life. Not life at the Right Roost. There you go, little buddy. See ya. Bye-bye, Mr. Snake. See you around.